Hello guys, welcome to Diamonds Gaming World. Okay, today I'm showing you my second base. This is my second base Redbuck, and this is also Town Hall 13, and let's go almost max, I think, except walls. Okay, today I'm showing you a video of that someone attacked me yesterday. It's he took 68%. Usually I'm going with these same troops, Electro Dragon and Lightning Spell. It's quite safe to get at least 2 star, and I'll show you this video and the way he attacked me, and same time I took revenge today morning with the same troops, so I will show you that also. Okay, let's enjoy the video. If you like the video, just subscribe to my channel and just keep sharing the video. Okay, and I'm new to YouTube, so please forgive me if I have any mistakes I have done or saying. See the way he attacked. He destroyed one air blower and three air defense. So he is definitely sure that he can take at least 2 stars. That is a quite good idea. Same troops I'm also using. Same lightning spell 9 plus 4 free spell, because it will easily we can take 70% easily with, if you have a max Electro Dragon and your king heroes are even if it's too low 50 or 40, well still you can manage, but his king and queen it's almost 70, so it's easily he can get this star. Okay, the one thing he done a mistake that he used the free spell for this uh, Royal Champion, I think, because he used a freezing spell. But I don't think he don't want to use that for Royal Champion for a free using a free spell, so he can use his king or any hero to destroy him, because that free spell will be cost him in the ongoing attacks. We need to save maximum free spells. Usually he don't have any client free spells or something, so you don't want to drop that there. So that's one, I think that's a mistake he has done. See here, the attack is almost is finished, because his freezing spells are already finished. So that's why I'm saying don't use the free spell while it is your last hope, because for this Inferno Towers I kept all are single. So Electro Dragons single, if you kept the Inferno Towers are single, that's really hard without freezing spell or heroes. So he used his freezing spells almost very early, so that is a stupid attack, I think. If he used it in the last time, and I have a clan troops also in the clan castle, so it is hard for him to get at least he managed with his heroes are 72. Okay, let's see. So here you can see that he finished with 68% with all big heroes. So let's see my revenge. Okay, I will show you my attack now. Okay, here I have done few mistakes. The one thing is the my client, this log launcher is empty, and his base is also strong as like me, more than me, because his expos are maximum 8, and his scatter shots are both level 2, inferno towers, eagle artilleries, everything. And main thing that his heroes, even his Qun and Hing, is on the higher side than mine. And so the one thing I didn't get the 3-star is I released all the troops at the same time, all the electro dragons. That's what caused me a trouble, because my electro dragons are gone through one side and heroes gone to the other side, and the center there is nothing but only one electro dragon and the empty log launcher that towards pushing to the town hall. You can see in the video, I will show you. My idea is that left side I will destroy these two this air defense, and I will destroy this one air blower, so I can push from the right side. So on the right side, this remaining two air defense will destroy it on the first attempt of the electro dragon, and the heroes I can get their help on the very first moment. But if I released same like my the enemy bubbly buddy attacked me, after releasing this destroying this air defense, and I can push my troops from the left side. But because on the first time, because there is nothing need to worry about the air defense, and everything is safe. But until it going to finish, this last air defense will attack our remaining 3 or 4 electro dragons, and heroes almost, I think maybe heroes will die before that. So that's why he didn't took 3-star, he only took 68%. And my idea is to releasing, destroying this 2 air defense and releasing the troops from the right side, because as what I told you, on the first we can get help of the every heroes and loons and electro dragons. So remaining 2 this air defense will be destroyed, and his base is entirely clear without air defense, so it's easy for us to get 3-star. The one thing everyone need to realize that air blower will be destroyed with 2 lightning spell, and air defense will be destroyed in 3 lightning spell. So if you if the base is the air blower is kept really near to this, I will show you that also. If air blower is kept really close to this air defense, then only 3 lightning spell you will take to destroy this air blower and the air defense. So you can save in that way 2 lightning spell and took more free spell or something. So here he kept it all separate, so that caused me to take 9 lightning spell. Okay, and the one thing is that he kept all the info except one inferno. He kept both the infernos multi. If you kept infernos multi, it will it won't help you in the electro dragon attack, because it will only get a less damage for the electro dragon. That is, I think that's a stupid idea. But if you are attacking ground, so that will be helpful. So always think, if your inferno towers are multi, then usually try to take this electro dragon, so that it will be easy for us. See here, the air balloon try to attack, try to take the damage. Sorry, the balloon took the damage of the air balloon. So if you release electro dragon, try to release the loons with them, because loons will push forward and electro dragon try to stick there and try to attack. So our loons always took the damage of the loon, this air balloon, because air balloon giving it too much damage for electro dragons. if the air balloon is max, this black air balloon is max, that will cause one electro dragon 90% singularly damage that will cause us. So always try to release loons with before electro dragon, so all the loons will take the damage and electro dragons are all safe. The and the another tip I'm going to say that release your grand warden as air, because if you are destroying the air defense, if you release the grand warden as ground, the ground troops definitely going to attack the grand warden very quick. But if you are going to release the grand warden as air, so all the air defense will be destroyed and grand warden is safe until last, because without air defense nothing going to attack except this archer tower. But they won't attack the grand warden single-handedly because there is a lot of electro dragon is there, so don't need to worry. Always that is all you need to be careful, because grand warden you need to release this kind of attack, you need to release as a air grand warden. Okay. And to try to release the this scatter this log launcher to a little more left, means parallel to the eagle artillery, because that will that is easy to destroy the eagle artillery and this inferno tower and clan castle at the same time. But I released through the center, so towards the town hall. So that's it's little bit I didn't be took it careful, because log launcher until it coming towards the town hall, it already destroyed this eagle artillery and this inferno tower. If I release little more to the parallel to this, or parallel to this scatter shot and this inferno, so that need to careful, because log launchers good took the dam will destroy these troops on the way to the this log is launching, I mean rolling, and will destroy the town hall, sorry, the walls also. It will give us a way to the heroes to push to the town hall. That is a really good thing, log launcher. And he used stone slab this wall breaker, because I think wall breaker is now outdated for electro dragon attack, because the best thing is you can use this log launcher. It will destroy the defense and at the same time it will give a pass, it's a way to the town hall for the heroes and the ground troops. See, my royal champion is dead because of this inferno. That's why I told you, if I release this log launch a little more left, parallel to this eagle artillery, it will destroy definitely this all this inferno and everything. That's my issue. That was the issue I caused. And please forgive me that my English is not well. I'm very weak in English, and I'm making this video in English because I'm from Kerala, actually from India, so I can't speak in English, Hindi or Malayalam. Okay, but I'm using this English language because of this video. If, everyone will get the help, the way how we can attack, the tips and tricks from that's why. And please forgive me, and please tell me in the comment box how can I improve, what all things I can need to improve. Okay, because I'm new to this YouTube video making, so I have some my own uh, limitations, so I'll improve on the ongoing videos. So if you like the videos and if you like the attack strategy, please try this attack and please comment me in the comment box that how it works for you, how much percentage you destroyed with these kind of attacks. Okay, usually my friends in the clan took the 3 or 4 rage spell and free spell. That also we can get 3 star. But I think this is the safest way to get destroy the town hall also. Okay, so this is finished. Okay, so and I will show you my one of attack of my in the client mate. He's a legend trophy. He's a trophy pushing. See, he always use this rage spell, free spell, that kind of attack. That also easy to get a 3 star if because he's king and queen. Everything is heroes. Everything is max. Let's see how he attacked. And this base is a level town hall 12 eagle artillery. It's not max. And inferno towers, two inferno towers he kept as a multi. So if you kept inferno towers multi for electro dragons, it's very easy. So just see how he attacked. See here, release this troops together at the same time, and the heroes also. And the other thing, see, he released the battle beam towards the town hall. So without this electro dragons, he can destroy this town hall or clinch a star easily, and the rest of the troops will be destroyed by the electro dragon. Okay, let's see. He is a poison spell for this skeleton troops. This is what I'm saying. Okay, I'll show you. Here, he managed because his heroes are all max and very strong. That's why the main issue if you are using rage spell and free spell in the electro attack, and the base is super strong. Try to attack the way I say this with the lightning spell. It will easily we can manage to get 3 star even if your heroes are not maximum up to 75, because is all the electro dragons are dead because he only used lightning sorry free spell and rage spell. So if you are using lightning spell and destroy this the way I showed you, that will easily get even if your heroes are 20 or 30, that doesn't care, because if you destroy the air defense, that is so easy to get this kind of stuff. So I'm going to wind up this video, and if you like my video, just share to your friends so they can also get this kind of ideas, and please try to try this attack, lightning spell attack, and please comment me in the comment box how it worked for you, how much percentage you destroyed, and is it this idea is good. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay.